Good morning, everyone. So before putting the videos for the lectures, I thought I'd spend like a minute or two to just explain. Just make sure you read the question very carefully when you're answering the question. For example, this is a question that was on PBL today, and some of you or basically read that the goal is just to increase monoamines availability in the synaptic cleft, and everybody thought probably oh, it's phenelzine basically that is basically there that can increase all those three. But if you read the question is not asking you want to increase all those three. So, for example, this patient has already been taking paroxetine, which is SSRI, and doctors want to add another therapy. It's not like doctor want to replace. So that would be true in case doctor want to replace. Then okay, you have to increase all those three. But this guy is already on paroxetine, but now doctor wants to increase to make sure that all these three are there. So this is already there, so you want to increase these two. So the options are here. So phenelzine cannot be there because it is contraindicated with this SSRI. This is another SSRI that cannot be. Mirtazapine basically, it's basically still doing the NAN5-HT. Dopamine is still left. So the only option left is bupropion. That can increase DNNA. So if you go back and look at the notes, you will find that bupropion can increase dopamine and NA because it binds to those transfer respect. So you see that this is the process of elimination that I used. Even though let's say if you don't remember the answer or for some reason you feel that it's difficult, try to eliminate the incorrect choices. So here you saw that we just selectively eliminated the incorrect one, and finally you have the correct one. Or if you knew it, simply that this guy is on paroxetine, so serotonin is already there. How about dopamine and NA? So bupropion can increase both of these. That's the only option right here. So so you see that, and this is a way, just read the question very carefully. If I remove this, the doctor decided to add another therapy, or if I write that doctor wanted to change the antidepressant therapy, then the answer would change entirely. So please pay attention to the question very carefully. And I would recommend using this process of elimination rather than just jumping to the one correct answer, because when you have multiple choices, you might have a best answer and then better, or you think, oh, this is the better answer, but there could be a best answer in there too. So read the question very carefully and use this process of elimination. That will really help because some of you knew this answer, but it's basically that when I told you, oh look, we are adding, we are not replacing, and then basically you knew the right answer. So it was not that you guys didn't know that or the concept was not clear. It is basically you just have to pay attention, reading the question very carefully. Read the question very carefully.